Okay, your last homework is regarding the book Biblioburros, okay? So let's take a look at it. Find this in your homework packet. It's comparing how is the biblioburro like your school classroom library and how is it different? Now remember, we've done several things about this. We've compared wombats to koalas. We compared how they are each different and then some of the things that make them the same. Like a wombat likes to eat grass and roots, but a koala eats leaves. A wombat lives in a hole, but a koala lives in the tree. But they have the same type of nose, and they each have a pouch for their baby. So remember when we did that in class. We also compared herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores only eat plants. Carnivores only eat animals. But then there's some animals that eat both, and those are omnivores. So you see the similar circle. We've done it a couple of times. So this is what you're going to do with this page. First, you're going to list just describing the biblioburro, all the things about them, and then you'll describe our classroom library. And then you're going to bring this down, what is so different about each one and what is similar about them, okay? So let's look at two pictures. We have the biblioburro and we have our classroom library, okay? So you're going to look at these pictures and you're going to fill in that circle and those boxes and tell me how you've compared them, okay? Does that make sense?